Good morning students. Today we will start with the most attractive and the beautiful part of plant, that are flowers. So we have taken the China rose because the China rose is a complete flower. China rose is a bisexual flower. So we will start with the parts of flower. The outermost wall of the flower, that is green in color, this is called sepal. The outermost layer is called sepal, and the colorful part or the colorful wall layer of the flower, they are the petals. They are the petals. They are of different color. In different flower, they are of different color. They may be white, they may be green, yellow. So here you can see the the outermost layer, that is perisepal. So it is present in some flower and in some flower it is not present. Therefore I have told you that we have taken the China rose because China rose is a complete flower. So after removing this perisepal, we have the second layer, that is sepal, and the next layer, that is petal. So these are petals which are of different color. So when we remove this, we got the reproductive part of the plant. Here we have the male and female reproductive part of plant. So the outermost layer which you are seeing here, this is the male reproductive part of plant. In the male reproductive part of plant, we have these stamens. These are stamens having the upper anther, and below the anther there are filament, and below the anther there are filament. Anther and filament. Anther is a bag-like structure having the pollen grain, and in the center we have the female reproductive part. This is the female reproductive part. This is called pistil and carpel. The upper it is divided into three parts. The upper one is stigma, then the stalk-like structure, that is called style, and inside the style we have the ovary. We will take the fresh flower. After removing the all male reproductive part of the flower, we are removing the all male reproductive part of flower. In the center we have the female reproductive part of flower, that is called the pistil and the carpel, and they are the stigma. Below the stigma there is style, and inside the style below, here we have the ovary. Here we have the ovary. This is ovary. It is at the below of this style. And when we dissect the ovary, inside the ovary we have the ovule also. You can see here we have the ovule inside the ovary. So this is our female reproductive part of flower. Here you can see we have the complete flower. We have the complete flower. This is the outermost layer, sepal. Then we have the petal. Then there are the male reproductive part of plant, anther and filament, and the female reproductive part of plant, that is called pistil, divided into three parts: stigma, style and ovary. Inside the ovary there are ovules. So you can see this in this complete flower also. These are perisepal, then sepal, then petal. These are anther and filament, and this is stigma, style, and ovary. Inside the ovary there are ovules. So this is our reproductive part of plant, the flower.